BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So finally, Microsoft has rolled out the Chromium security updates to the Edge web browser on desktop, and these are more or less the same security updates that I've posted on that rolled out at first for Google Chrome, then Brave, Vivaldi, and now it's Microsoft Edge's turn. And these updates were made available a couple of hours ago, which would be late yesterday in my region on the 14th of October. Now, this is actually the third point release update for version 106, which is the latest stable release. And to double check if you have this update, which is a very important security update, as always, we just head to the menu, Help and Feedback about Microsoft Edge. And this will force and push the update to the latest version and build if the browser hasn't updated already. Now, the browser is now at version 106.0.1370.47. As always, the point release is just the little 0.47 on the end, and we've gone from 0.42 to 0.47 with this latest update. Now, Google Chrome, Brave, Vivaldi, they all got 6 security fixes, and the Microsoft Edge web browser has received 5, but nonetheless those are still 5 high-risk vulnerabilities that have been addressed in the Chromium platform, which the Edge browser is based on. So as mentioned, always important to double check that your browser is up to date, as it is your first line of defense, and double checking that your browser is up to date takes a couple of seconds, so it's actually just worth it at the end of the day. Now, those 5 high-risk vulnerabilities are mainly use after free, which is a common exploit in the Chromium-based web browsers. And a high-risk vulnerability, as I do mention, and as many of you may know, is your second highest after a critical vulnerability. So just double-check your browser's up to date to fix and address those flaws in the Edge web browser. And there's no other updates or major features that have rolled out. It's just a point release, 0.47, that addresses and fixes 5 high-risk vulnerabilities in the Microsoft Edge web browser on desktop. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.